mwanchu murigereria emogaso omuya chinga kengo kwaregania aiga semesa ya mang'ana maya egere twemanye nararia yagendrete aseriro bali tulia Gusii na boigo ense ya Kenya asibali mogotobwate wetera senchira ye mitandao no tole Ndizi TV News Digital eyone nsemo ya Facebook na boigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube na ende na bogo tweet @Ndizi TV News mwanchu murigereria bonoli tukolia lero oyo kabeire waziri bwobulendi bwaime Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigo arangeri gwene kiombe kyobotuki no bosalia DCI asamaga chamanane meye county ya Nairobi abwase agochakwiraneria igoronga nararia ya manyete chinga kibono orobotirwa sogatebuna nigo abanyanyimbo banyartko baba gusagana enka yaye abuli tangani abwase kolengana n'abanyanyimba bo bagoteba etarenge ekene kolende mega yokona nkigwanto chikubwati orobotirwa senchira yoboime egera tumanyenga nararia ya banyarko baba gusanga nabo bisa korwa DCI chinga kiecho bono omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto no arase county ya Mombasa asa koigora magendero ao mono asaba menyi bensemo ya Likoni ne chinga kyomurugyo ya Rachel Ruto achoriro ko mo patron ase skuru ya banyaruka ya Moi Girls abwa ayomnanda mangu mwanchu murigereria asenchira yobwenge kaba monaintwe weika omoelyo Ncheni konkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita kaba mwananchi kwa ikomoelyo no litokubwatira na komo korwa sense moyipimanyiryo niga koro kwa Joshua Auta toya chake korwa sense moya nyacheki ase tundubali ya mamboleo buying center abwase byombe ebikebike byabalemi banyareko bakonyora gusabagendete konyoro bokonyi korwa se company ya KTDA bunenchire moyo korwa maigeri gochia sabalemi bekemeligie chae bunana bagwenerete kolenda enibo yabo na ende nakibagwenete koleto botenenku ase sector yobolemi ababwatani ao aba director korwa sechi buying center ao no bare asensemeyo abwase barure ebirengero byabo igoro yomorobelyo bweli tuko lya lero omurikito bomangana maya Mildred Momanyi no ara sensemeyo agendrete gotoroselero botyo tuchikonyora senchira yobekirano kolende ayana aragendrete ase tundubali ya mambo leo
economically and socially resilient. Today we are here to celebrate about 480 farmers who are in about 16 groups. And these groups came together through training in 3 areas around social dynamics, where we were dealing with issues around conflict management. Then secondly, we looked at financial literacy. And thirdly, we trained them on entrepreneurship. And in line with the strategy and vision of KTDA Holdings, one of the things that we said is that
Ababisa kurwa ase kiombe kya neema nigo batarire wika se county ya Nyamira abwasiba umeranire no mawaziri bwebinto bitotanaine go environment omwaziri John Matiang'i abwasiba kwanira mange nemirobiri ao bagwenete kobeka bunenchire moyo kolenda ebinto bitotanaine ase nkwana yayo mawaziri Matiang'i nigatebiruna babekire mirobiri bune serikali ye county ya Nyamira mono koligereria libwago lya tinga elyo bono liamerire abanta bange gosama kweria na kiwaseli bwagelyo nemerobiri baroberete kobeka bunenchire moyo gotinya obolendi asensemeyo
chingoro chirichiremire ase abantu barusetia magena nabandi bagenderete kurema chikogoto babwata baruo batiga chingoro bunengorera aritinga yaiteto mwalimu onde engoreria yatige twororo no muntu ore kureme para ya kuru Gusii Kisii aligatembe gochaiga ikonge koyebekeramu omuntu ori ekera akorete gasi company eri nemanyire anene company anene ya Kenya akaruororo tatiche ngoreria twatebi gungo yo moneretia saria no moito monyabiasara oito na ndo mo engineer ngochierwale egere tumanyete record buyanga nere na ende nkibaga mbete nere egere engoreria etichwe etige goita abantu bakure zaidi ya 20 bakwereire maria chiombenji kwerororo abana mbakwerororo nanda abantu bandi mbaro bakubucha amache kurwororo narorekero na etororo nebibuyu macha na machafu mono nando mondara baise kotorobania soe gari rocha toretere mechando
Chinga kiecho ababisabo kurwa nema bakoragwa na Robert Orina na barobo barule birangero byabo igoro ya Kiabira Mining Center abwase batebire barache kuligereria naende igoro ye license chigokolemere ma sense meyo unencheremo yo kubwaterana ne serikali ye county Nyamira kwene kyabuna onsi ngoikera nale buna aroberie.
I hear this quarrying site checking on the compliance issues out of the complaints we have received from members of the public on the environmental impacts of these particular quarrying activities. This is a site that has been licensed, but the issues is that this place, the way it's being done, is not complying with the license conditions. And as you can see, the kind of quarrying they are doing, there's a lot of dust, and at the site we have just found that they even don't have a copy of the license. The person who is in charge is not even aware of the conditions that they are supposed to follow. One of the issues when we license these sites, so one thing we have decided to do is going to suspend their licenses until we are satisfied that they have the capacity to conform to all the issues that they have been addressed to.
Chingaki totigarete ase county ya Nyamira ne ritokomanywa buna babwatani ao bakubwaterana ne kiombe kya European Union ase county ya Nyamira nigo bagenderete nege ikaro kya bene eliokoligiali chibuligia igoro yogokora esegi yegenka nabo igobo unereria bwange nchende onsi ase omwana munyaruka mono okumusara egento batebiregia etirwe ne chingaki na igo nigo bagenderete koligiali chibu ase geikare ekyo egere barore na kibara kore esegi yegenka amolikyo itobo igona agende tukubwatoro baturwa senchera yobekira nukolende ebingati yababwatani nabakwani abo bayikiranire asege karekyo
on intimate partner violence, and today we have an initiative we are launching that is being funded by the European Union that we are going to implement in the coming 4 years in Nyamira County around Ting Award that we are going to focus, like I mentioned, on FGM.
Our intent and intention is to reduce, if not stop, gender-based violence in the families, in the homes, and above all to empower the girl child, to empower the women so that they are economically empowered, because most of the violence has been caused by poverty in the families.
So when we talk about gender-based violence, we are talking about security of life and to some extent properties. So I want to appreciate first of all development partners that have come on board, that you are able to sensitize people. That is a duty that we have done from time memorial. I am calling upon our community, the Gusii fraternity, to discard some of this
Muraiwense Dr. William Ruto mkonyo Rigathi Gachagua amona baraibande korwa sensemo ya Kenya Kwanza nigo baikire ase county ya Mombasa bunenchire moyo kuigora magendero ao asabamenyi be county yo gatia magendero Muraiwense Ruto akoigora sensemo yo ne chiro ye Chinsu yali watoni waigo company ye Chigasi embanyakanete buna dongo kundu abo asabamenyi benseme yo bale no mogo kase getambukirekyo ekiagera bangi babasaye mbabwati meremo ase county yo kolende okoigoro agwe company yo ye Chigasi neche kwena kyamabaga mange yabasaye asabarai boigo korwa ase county yo bago kire getambukirekyo nagotebe county Mombasa ngati echi county chigendrete gukina mono asamangana ya uchumi ngati abarai korwa Kenya Kwanza ngati yabo no mwaziri wa mangana mining Salim Mvuria ngati ya baraibande
Rai kwamba serikali ya William Ruto imetupa kipaumbele sisi kama wapwani. Kuna miradi mingi itakuwa katika hiki kipande cha ekari 3,000 hapa Likoni. Na cha kufurahisha zaidi ni kwamba kuna wawekezaji 10 tayari wamejitokeza ambao hii Taifa Gas leo ndo tumekuja kuifungua rasmi. Tuna faida nyingi tutazipata sisi kama wakazi wa hapa. Changamoto ya kazi ya kwamba hatuna itaweza kuafikiwa katika kiwanda hichi kufunguliwa. Na pia habari njema kwa Wakenya ni kwamba bei ya gesi itaweza kushuka chini kwa sababu tumepata makampuni mingi yamekuja, na wakati wa competition kama hii tutaweza kupata bei kushuka chini.
Dogo Kundu, naona utatufaidi, manake sisi ilikuwa hatuna kazi, na naona huu mradi utatufaidi tupate kazi, na vijana wengi ilikuwa wana kazi yao ni kuzunguka tu, wanakaa mtaani, lakini najua hivi sasa tutapata kazi, tufanye kazi na tutapata maendeleo kwa huu mradi.
Chinga kiechio umurugi bomorai bwense Madam Rachel Ruto nere nigo airwe goseniga airwe obotenerio boya ase skuru y'abanyaruka ya Moi Girls Academy asago chakoba patron enya ase skuru yo ya banyaruka nigo alire ira yaye yogo swaso botenerio bo asate birawo chakwenekia na ruwa bokoreri bwaye asenchire bwenerete na gokora imirimo yaye bune patron ye skuru yo nigabaroki gwabo bairanire ngambia mono na korokyo mogokobo ekiagera umurugi bomorai bwense na chikobakorera manene buna aborokiwa.
I promise on my honor that I will do my best to do my duty to God and my country, to help other people at all times, and to obey the guide law.
Chingaki obosagani nebikorwa byobosalia bigendete kweneke wa Chinsemo au asense ya Kenya bono abateneneri babanyanyimbo korwa somo bagabwense ya Kenya na Tanzania ensemo ya Isbania babikire byara oyomo oyorumo kagerwa oyoto kakale ne chimbunde 15 abwasa abanyanyimbo abo batebire bawo chakwimoke getambo kiregetindi kielichiko aniga gocha matuka make mayega y'abanyanyimbo abo kuruge kuregetindi ochasa bamenyi bensemo ya Isbania koba maiso ekiagera obosalia nigo bogendrete kwenekigwa asebirengo byeigoro
kwa wanangaishi wananchi wakitumia silaha. Leo tulikupata ripoti kwamba iko watu wameonekana ambao walikuwa suspicious, tukafuatilia with the help of the area DO and the chiefs and one officer, but unfortunately hatukuweza kupata hiyo mtu. Ndio alitufahamu kabla na akaangusha mzigo,
wakachukua hiyo mzigo na kupata kwamba kulikuwa na risasi 15 katika hako kamfuko aliyekuwa anabeba. Tuna uhakikisho kwamba hao ni wale ambao wamekuwa wakihatarisha maisha ya watu wetu, nasi tunataka kuhakikishia raia wetu kwamba tuko macho, tuko gangari, tutaendelea kupiga doria, na kazi yetu kama wafanyikazi katika idara ya usalama ni kuhakikisha mali na wananchi wetu iko sawa. Tunasema kwamba wananchi wetu walale kwa amani.
Ebyombe ao na babwatani ao kurwase county ya Kilifi abo mono barabasae nigo baburia serikali nene ya Kenya Kwanza gekorwa n'umurai bwense Dr. William Ruto amonechi serikali chechi county county ya Kilifi kereye moyabo asebatebire enibo gosekega nchanke weneta kobe kwensemo kerige korigereria amangana yengencho asechi county ao gatia amangana yengencho korengana nabasabo ngamonechi semi obolemi naboigo amangana y'abacheno abatebire chi county chinyinge nigekegancha getayo gekorigereria amangana yengencho asebatebire ayonsi kagokorwa abasaye korwa chi county ao mbagwenerete kubwateraniwa na barobo korwa birengereri byabo igoro yenganeyo.
Ni kwamba tungetaka sana vijana wahusike ili tuhakikisha kwamba tunapunguza mimba za mapema kwa wasichana ili wafikie malengo yao makuu.
The county government of Kilifi should support engagement of young people towards those key platforms and also in policy formulation and implementation. apart from them supporting services like the family planning services at the community level, I feel that they should also give the young people a platform, give them the chance so that they can speak to those issues that they feel should be addressed.
The young must be involved, whether it is health, reproductive care, and this is something that is their right. And because it is their right as a county, we are here to pledge that we are going to support them with materials, with information, and even with personnel kind of help, so that they have this information and they have the decision to do what is right and make decisions.
Mwanju muligereria na rayu asebono kulende asenchera yobwenge amange na idenko gocherale Chinsa 10 asenchera yobwenge karoyo minto Evelyn Osero agende to kwaleganeria yo asenchera yobwenge baigense yamane Chinsa satocho butuko bwarera ngucyari ko gochera noyo minto Vincent Onyancha to wakangambia mono kigima asibali mogende to gotobwate gwetera semitandao yaito ya Facebook buna Ndizi TV News Digital to wakangambia mono kirage kati yabo Labani Onami, Evelyn Atuma, Esbon Nyamete, na baigeri kibaraza, na balibonsi mogende to kubwati murubilioyo, ubwa mangana maya Chinsa Isano na Ibere, to wakangambia mono kirage, na ende mobaisa gosuka, ekiagera enero Ndizi TV, ubwansu ubwa Gusii. Oliato waterana komo, korwa sensemo, yibi manyererio, nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta, Chingaki Abigail Nyanchama, na baigo Melody, baenekire kwa anyolira senchera yowekerano, wetera senchera ya online chibicha amo na mariogi twara obuligereria borobya boige weekend engia nchini gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.